Hey, big brother.
Yes, we got Big Brother present.
You got baby brother present?
And it's, want to see it?
Yeah.
It's this.
Oh, you got that for him, bud.
I just need to put this back in.
Listen.
What?
Do you know what baby brother's name is?
What? Can you put this back in?
Sure, so that he doesn't see it.
Yeah.
What's baby brother's name?
Oh my gosh, is that the baby brother?
That's him. Come here.
I can't believe that.
You can't. What's his name? Did Daddy tell you?
No. Yeah.
What is it? Daddy, can you help him get up here?
I want to see that baby. Oh, baby.
That's your baby too, bud.
Look at it, the baby.
You want to hold him?
You're gonna hold him?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down. Okay.
Don't make him.
1 second. Let's give you this, and maybe he'll sit on your lap a little bit better. And Daddy will put him right in there. Okay?
No.
Yeah, that's how it works. Oh, buddy, what do you think? That's all your brother. Oh, what do you think? You can give him a kiss. He likes brother kisses.
Look at those small fingers.
Say, I'm a big brother.
And a big brother.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't he gonna open his eyes out?